on the trap now.
What is up, guys? There is a crazy storm going on right now
Mama!
in Amarillo, Texas. We're about to go check some of this out, see if we can actually help some people. I don't know if we're gonna be able to help them, but it is really badly flooded. So
This is the worst I've seen since I lived here.
it's pretty crazy.
9
This is
years.
crazy. Should we go help them? It's not that bad to the left. It's not bad to the left. Not like that.
Not like that, man.
Holy.
Dude, it's gonna fucking flood these people's house. Look.
Oh my gosh, you're right. And this guy's house right here.
That's how close the water is, the bumpers is setting the sensors off.
This is insane.
You got the lift on here. That's how close the water is, the bumpers is setting the sensors off.
It started raining out of nowhere, and there's cars underwater on I-40.
Right here.
It's insane. And so, of course, what are we doing?
We're saving Amarillo.
Yeah. So, you guys are in here, we're good. We're just trying to go help some people. There's cars stuck everywhere.
And it must be blocked off.
Just go, yeah, so
I would turn around.
yeah, just go, you can go underneath the pass, I think.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. So it looks like they shut down.
They're shutting down that part? Or what?
I don't know, it looks like they're shutting this part down.
Let's go right. Oh, just got something.
Just go left, babe, and turn around. They're just hiding.
So it looks like this car is getting good, but they look like they are not letting anybody on I-40. So if you guys are just joining
Ram
us,
gang.
And
we are
everyone
in
Ram gang.
we're having
is hiding.
crazy floods right now.
inch.
Yep.
And to our left, we have some tree limbs.
There's a tree.
That's good.
So this stuff's
commentary can be.
To the left. To the left.
And to the right, there's a floating body.
Oh, he's trying to go right, that's why. Oh, okay. Got him. Challenger's not even on, dude. Now he just doesn't want to go. You guys alright? Look how deep it is. Oh, okay, there's no way this car in front of us just stopped. Dude, this is deep as fuck. Oh my god. Okay, this is the worst. Oh, get the boat out! Get the boat! Unload it! Unload it!
Holy crap.
Lightly used.
Damn. Holy shit. Oh, yeah, you're gonna have to. I forgot.
In the water. I need a snorkel.
Oh my gosh, this is so bad.
My god. Alright, don't go to this dealership. It's coming up.
And we are on Georgia Street right now. We are in hot pursuit in the 2019 Ram 1500.
Don't go to this dealership.
These cars are slightly used,
Yeah.
no water
Look at
damage,
that.
freshly power washed.
That's crazy. Golly. Oh look, there's David. Let it out.
No! This is insane.
There, you guys can't even see the road.
There's my first car.
That's not a good thing to drive.
And yet, here we are driving.
Always taper just a little.
Alright, well, we're gonna see if these people need help. I bet you they do. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Kevin just pushed this Cavalier over the curb. Kevin is Iron Man! So Kevin just pushed that Cavalier right there over the curb back there. Look how crazy that is. And my carpets are about to be ruined.
Someone said he's training for the Iron Man comp.
Kevin is Iron Man though, for sure.
Or what did y'all just do? Not me.
Oh, Kevin just pushed this lady about 200 yards off the curb. And
Underwater.
her car is hydro-locked. So she didn't want to ride. We offered to give her a ride. She's kind of emotional, obviously, like her car broke down. But she didn't want to leave her car, so.
One car saved so far, so we're on to the next one.
Oh, this guy's got, we need lights.
Oh, I thought you had lights.
Oh, there's an accident. Yeah.
You guys need help or you're good? Do you need help or you're good?
Yeah, we're about to push it up into that parking lot.
Do you need help pushing?
Yeah, possibly. There's that dude.
Your chance, it's a red light. Better hurry up, they got a red light. Turn!
Just turn. I would go right. Yeah, we will go in that hill.
Yeah, you can turn right and pull into the parking lot.
What is he stuck on?
Babe, I think there's sidewalks right here.
Where? The sidewalk's over there.
Oh no, I think their tires.
Oh, they blew their tire out.
Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna follow this guy and make sure they're okay.
Flash
Yeah. Oh, they need to stop.
Go
Yeah.
around them, go around them.
Stop. You're making it worse.
Whoa!
Whoa! Stop! Whoa!
Hold on.
Your tire's blown out.
Both of your tires are blown.
Both of them?
Yes. That's why it won't go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, you're good.
We just wanted to make
Hopefully we get home. Thank you, though.
Well,
I don't. You're gonna screw up the rim. I wouldn't do that.
How far do you live?
About a block and a half.
Oh, I would not.
There's-
You're gonna
there's-
ruin the rim.
oh. Okay. Oh my God.
This guy is riding his.
That is the dumbest shit I've ever seen. This guy.
Hey, we
Okay.
warned him. He didn't even know.
Y'all just wait, hold on. There's a truck.
Both tires.
Yes.
Driving like that.
And we told him.
He's like, I'll make it.
He's like, I'll make it. I'm like, dude, I don't think that's safe.
Yeah, I said both your tires are blown. He said, okay, hopefully we make it. Y'all just saw this first.
New title.
That man blew both of his tires.
That man blew his tires and his back out. Fucking that's why.
He did not care at all. Just kept going. That's crazy. David, thoughts?
I do not recommend that.
If you guys wanted to see, like, really go swim and rescue people, boy.
Y'all, this is crazy. Oh, no one knows. There
Is it
is
upside down?
the dumpster in the middle.
It's upside down, right? Where the fuck did it come from? Well, I might need you to come get us. This Jeep might come pull us out, but I'm not sure.
You guys are so dumb.
Well, David, like, hit this huge fucking pothole and then hit the median.
I told you not to go.
I know! Well, you should see the fucking front of his truck.
Well,
Alright, let me call you. There's a cop pulling up. I'll call you in a minute.
okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, she gonna be pissed. Alright, let me call her back.
She didn't even care. She's like, oh, well, you guys are screwed.
Is my wallet in the Jeep? Well, don't worry about it. This cop was asking for my license.
Are you being serious with me or are you fucking with me?
I'm not even kidding.
Oh my god.
I know. It's alright. Dave's fine. He just hurt his neck a little bit.
Where are you guys at?
I-40 in Sauncey. We had to, like, we're on I-40 and the freeway was stopped because I-40's closed. So, like, Dave tried to go down, like, the hill and we slipped and then it, like, jumped. That's alright. It's fine. David's camera's fucked, though.
Really?
Well, yeah, Kennedy was outside the window filming.
Oh my god.
I know. That's right.
Alright.
Rachel.
What?
You just got punked live, baby!
You're an idiot.
208 people just got.
I knew you were on live.
Is it weird that David still has your name as Rachel Webster, though?
That's how my phone has it.
Alright, so someone by our house, I don't know if you can see on the GoPro, it's so dark. Someone by our house is actually stuck. So we're gonna go help this.
They've been stuck for an hour.
Yeah, So they said it won't go in neutral, so we're gonna try and...
Okay, one tip. If you're, don't get in the middle road. Just kind of shit.
Yeah. That's the problem, is people are stopping in the middle of the road and then they get hit. Creates more accidents, so... We'll see if we can just get them at least out of the road. But I think they live around here, so...
Yeah, we trying to go to train, but they say it took like, we have to wait like 4 more hours. It's so easy.
You said it won't go in neutral?
I thought.
Oh, it's a... Do you have the key fob?
We'reHBP.org. Brought to you by the American Stroke Association, American Medical...
Yeah, I don't know where the... Because usually, you know, you pull the thing. Just look it up and see if we can pull this thing. You said it won't start, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neutral override, let's see.
I think the batteries did.
There's a possibility that the knob will not turn and you cannot get out of the park. Well, they've actually gave you a provision so that you can override that. Now, if you look at your center console here, both on the passenger side and driver's side, there's an access to a storage compartment underneath, and that's where we're going to next.
I can need something a little longer. Bring the light back. Oh, there we go. Get it? Oh, hold on. Almost. It fits in. Oh yeah, no, the other one fitting. You need something long though. There we go. Yeah. Okay, so there's a little pull tab. Okay, so pull it. Okay, try pushing it.
Where do you guys live? We can push it.
We can push over here, like just like, you know, like, we don't want to block this one, like the road.
So I'm driving a random car. Hold on. Okay, now you can go. Okay, so you see in that storage compartment under there, you'll see a red thing that's pulled up. You can put it down and it'll take it out of neutral. It's in neutral right now.
Oh, okay.
So
thank you so much.
Yeah. But the e-brake's on right now. So.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Y'all be safe, man.
The rain for like 1
yeah,
hour.
no.
Thank you
Be
so
safe,
much.
man.
Have a good night.
YouTube coming in clutch. So yeah, we were just trying to find the little pull tab to put the car in neutral, and since it's got an electronic gear.
Oh, easy. You just gotta figure out where it is.
Yeah, so since it's got an electronic gear selector, it was like underneath the compartment. That was weird.
I know, I saw the thing and I was like, oh fuck.
I was like, what do you do with these?
Well, at least you know where yours is gonna be. It's gonna be somewhere
Somewhere underneath, I guess, yeah.